Okay, so I've had mommy say something like, "Don't spoil that toy. Don't you know how much I bought it?" I've had daddy says things like, "Don't destroy my things. Don't destroy my car. Don't you know how much I bought it? Don't do this. Don't do that. Don't do this. Don't do that." And I've had a lot of mothers say this: "Clean this house." The way you use other people's things is the way you will use your own. And I see this story, I hear this story over and over again. The same parents are the one who abuse their children. Some parents abuse their children. Some parents use their children. Some people overuse other people. Some people use their staff in an unhealthy way. You make them do the work of 100 people and you are paying them the work of for the work of one person. The same you will say, use things the way like it's your own. That means you have more value for things than people. The same you that is telling people to clean your house. Many people knows how to clean their house, clean their cars, yet they don't know how to detoxify their body. They don't know what to put in their mouths. They don't know when to stop putting toxins, beer, drugs, alcohol in their system. Yet these are the people that tells you that cleans their car very well, that clean their home very well, that clean their offices very well. They emphasize on things more than human. And human are of more value than things. Not until you start treating things and people as people, you're not going to be a good leader. You're not going to use your body better. You're not going to have a good relationship. You're not going to have a loving relationship. You're not going to have a good heart for those who are suffering. You won't be able to empathize. Your emotional intelligence will be zero. And without this, you can't maintain a good relationship either in your marriage, in your office, or even in the church. So loving your neighbor as yourself starts with you understanding the difference between things and people. The difference between loving yourself first and loving others next. That is the way forward into a good relationship with yourself, with your children, with your spouse, with your colleagues, with your members, with your co-worker, and with the people that you come across every day.